Welcome to the tour of this home. Please feel free to call or email any time of day for more information. Low maintenance living at its best. First floor master bedroom, just a stone's throw away from the community pool. Fabulous location. Fenwick Commons is easily accessible to downtown Charleston, Folly Beach, and Kiawah Island. The kitchen has lots of cabinets and corian countertops with a breakfast bar. On the first floor, in addition to the master bedroom, you will also find the powder room and the family room with the hardwood floors. Continue. The family room also gives you access to your covered porch. Into the first floor master suite with separate garden tub and shower, dual vanities, and then into a very large walk-in closet. Up the stairs where you will find two large bedrooms, one features a jack and Jill bathroom through to the very spacious loft. There is also a one-car garage. This home also has ceiling fans everywhere along with tiled floors.